Hi guys, it's Becca. So today I'm going to be filming a zero waste haul, and as you may know, my New Year's resolution for this year was to go zero waste, or at least low waste. And what that means is really reducing, of course, my waste and trying to buy things with less plastic and packaging and things like that. So I've found that as I'm using up like different beauty products and just as I'm trying to cut out plastic especially, it's been helpful to buy some different things. So of course, don't feel like you have to go out and buy all the things I'm mentioning. Just as you find that you need these things, I would really suggest picking up some of these. And this is also a collective haul. So some of this I got way back in Christmas. I put this stuff on my Christmas list. My mom got it for me, so that's really cool. Thanks, Mom. And then some of it I've been buying in the months since then with my own money. So lots of different things to show you guys. I really hope you enjoy it, and let's just get started. So the first place I ordered from was Package Free Shop. This is what I got for Christmas. And Package Free Shop is an online store. They also have a storefront in Brooklyn. And they also have a blog called Trash is for Tossers. So great resources there. So the first thing I want to show you is a stasher bag. You can even find these at Target. I've seen them. So super accessible. Basically, instead of having to use plastic bags, they made reusable silicone bags. So this is really cool because it lays flat in your bag, so it doesn't take up a lot of space until, of course, you put food or something in it. So I use this for like bringing snacks to class or taking food out of the dining hall, and it's really great. I basically have it on me all the time. I got a metal straw, which I feel like is kind of the number one thing, like the first thing you have to buy if you're going zero waste. So yep, I just got a metal one, and then it came with a straw cleaner, which is super helpful. Yeah, really basic. I think everyone knows about these now. Definitely recommend. And they also have bamboo ones if you don't want a metal one. Then I got this cutlery set. So it comes in this little bag and it has a hook on it, so you can hook it onto your bag if you want. I just keep it in like the front pocket of my backpack. And when you open it up, it has a full bamboo cutlery set. It has a fork. I just left it at home, so I've just been carrying a metal one around with me. So yeah, it just has a spoon, a knife, chopsticks, and then a fork. And they're really nice quality, super easy to clean and everything. And then I usually put my straw in this bag as well, so it's really convenient that it comes with a little bag. And then switching over to more of the beauty stuff, I got a bamboo toothbrush, which is pretty simple. Basically, when you're done using these, you can compost them. And I'm hoping to start composting this summer. Really excited about that. And then I just use this with toothpaste I made myself, and I put it in a glass jar. I have a whole post it on my Instagram if you want to look at that. And then the last thing I got from Package Free Shop, these are reusable cotton rounds. So basically I used to buy like those cotton rounds that come in like a plastic sleeve, and I would use those to take off my makeup. But obviously it's better to use reusable ones, so I just got a set of 20, and basically after you use them, you just throw them in the washer with your clothes and they come clean. So they're really easy to use, super great, and they work just as well as like normal ones. So that's all I got for Christmas. I placed a second order myself. I was going to order a period cup and some floss, but unfortunately my order got lost, so I'm hoping that'll be found. Then I just want to show you guys a couple of random things I also got for Christmas. So first up, my sister got me this little French press, which is so cute, first of all. And then it's also much more eco-friendly than like a Keurig, because you're not buying K-cups, which are like plastic, and most people just throw them out. And it's also better than a normal coffee machine because you don't have to buy like paper filters. So yeah, this has just been really convenient because you just add your grinds and your water. And I'm hoping to start buying coffee grinds in bulk the next time I go home. So I'm really excited about that. And then also in the drink department, my mom got me this super cute like tea bag holder. She got this at a craft fair, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. Basically, there's just a bead, you can close it, and then when you open it up, there's like 6 compartments for putting your tea and like sugar packets in. So this again has been really helpful as I go between like home and school, so I can bring tea bags back with me and not have to use like a plastic bag or a paper towel and things like that. And then just recently, I just got this on Thursday, I ordered from Clean Face Cosmetics. She's like a small company. You can find her on Amazon or on Etsy, and she makes completely vegan, cruelty-free, and zero waste makeup, which is super cool. So I'd run out of mascara, and eyeliner. So I got this one from her. It just comes in a little tin, and then it's just like kind of like a gel inside, and you just add a little bit of like coconut oil to activate it. And then it also comes with a little bamboo brush and a little bamboo eyeliner applicator. I just got this, so I'm still like testing it out and seeing how I like it. I have it on my eyelashes today just as mascara. So far I think I like it. This is like my first dive into zero waste makeup, so obviously there's a lot more for me to explore out there, which is really cool. And it's kind of a weird product. It's just going to take some time to get used to because obviously it's a lot different than your conventional like tube mascara. But I think if you are trying to reduce your waste, just having an open mind to some of these different things is really key. And then that brings us to the last store I went to, which was Lush. I absolutely love Lush. Since they are a really big, well-known store, it's great because obviously you can shop online or they have a lot of different storefronts, so it's very accessible. And they've been making huge strides recently in reducing their packaging, which I am all for. First thing I want to show you, I got this stainless steel container. This is only like $3 I think, which is great for travel. And this contains my shampoo bar. So this one is Jason and the Argan Oil. It's been used, that's why it looks kind of faded. And it comes bigger than this, but I've been using it. It smells freaking amazing. And I really like it. And then, yeah, this is literally all you buy, so you don't have to, it doesn't come in a plastic bottle or anything like that. And it's really easy to use. You just like rub it on your wet hair and it like lathers up. So I love it, and I'll list everything down below if you guys are interested in ordering any of this. Then my mom got me a refill of my deodorant, which I haven't even broken into yet because I got this one over a year ago and I'm still using it. It's lasted forever, and obviously it is in paper, but you could probably ask them to not put it in paper. My mom got it, so I don't think she probably knew about that. Yeah, I don't know what this is called, but I'll find it online. And then I also got a face wash bar. This one is Fresh Pharmacy, and I just use this in the shower, so I wet it and then I rub it on my face. And I also use it on my chest. It's been really great in clearing up any breakouts on my chest. It smells just really fresh and clean, and I really like it. And then the last time I went in there, they had these really cute like little egg carton containers that are made out of recycled coffee cups. So I got one, and as you can see, it's been super great. I used it to bring stuff back to school with me because it has little compartments. So the last thing I got when I was just there is a moisturizer bar. I think this one is just called Argan. I'm not sure though, but I'll put everything down below. And basically these, you just rub it straight on your face, and the heat from your face melts the oil, and then you just rub it in. Yeah, like it really works well. Like it's slipping in my hands because just from the heat from my hands. And I really like these. My boyfriend got the banana one, and he loves that one. So they have a couple different ones, and of course the people at Lush are so helpful. That is all I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any video ideas for me, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to read that. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys!